Hey babes, what's up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Lorena, and for today's video, we're doing a little get ready with me quarantine edition. Join me as I do my makeup, hair, and I show you guys my outfit. I'm actually dressed wearing black. I typically never wear black for a play festival that I'm doing on Zoom, part of an NYU club. So yeah, follow me as I try to get ready, be on there in time. Let's do it. I'm getting ready for a rehearsal right now, so you know, gotta look nice. I only have about like 20-30 minutes to get dressed, so I couldn't stop watching this show called House of Flowers, La Casa de las Flores. It's on Netflix and it's really good. Highly recommend. So of course I'm going in with my clean Real Technique sponge, and I wash this one every single morning before I use it with an antibacterial soap. It really helps to make sure that you don't get bacteria on your face. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite palettes of the last few months. This is the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette, and I love this color, Plenty of Joe. It's like a light pinky beigey color. I'm taking it on this flat but thick shader brush and just like popping it on my lid. I love pink colors on my face. I think it looks really nice. Why am I still holding this? So now that we have that all over the lids, we're gonna take this Park Avenue Princess Tarte bronzer. Just swirl a little bit on your brush and then pop it in your crease. This is one of my favorite eye looks. Very simple, but I feel like it really makes the brown eyes pop, and it goes well with my skin tone. Next is eyebrows, so let's pop those on. But first, I always take a Q-tip and kind of just like clean off any excess foundation or any foundation at all on my brows, so that way they can go down a lot smoother. And lately I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Ebony. I'm still not sure if I like it. I feel like sometimes it's very easy to go crazy with it, but I'm just taking this flat shader brush from BH Cosmetics. It's like a square tip. So what I like about it is that it doesn't dry out, which I was actually pretty surprised about. I'm telling y'all, it's very easy to get carried away with this brow pomade. They look okay. I'm just gonna go with it. I look like a ghost right now, but we are going to add a little bit more concealer because we love a highlighted under eye. So I'm just taking this Revolution Conceal and Hydrate Radiant Concealer with hyaluronic acid. It's a medium full coverage and it's in the shade C5. This is probably one of my favorite concealers ever, and it's a super dupe for Tarte's Shape Tape, I promise you. Of course, going back in with my little sponge, just making sure it's all nice and blended out. Now I am taking my Makeup Revolution Bacon Blot powder. This is in the shade Banana Light, and I'm also taking this fluffy sponge from Juno, and I love it for powders. So I'm just putting that all over my under eyes. And I love that it's a pressed powder, so when you like bake with it, it doesn't get all over the place as much. Once that's on, I'm just going back in with the little brush we used earlier for our crease and just blending out the edges so they don't look super crazy. So I'm just gonna take my lash curler and try not to pull on the skin because that's painful. It's 5:40. We have like 15 minutes, you guys. I'm gonna take this Exaggerate Smoke and Shine Rimmel London Automatic Gel Eyeliner in the shade Copper Bling, which is this beautiful like sparkly brown, and kind of just putting that over my top lash line in a slight cat eye shape. It makes the eyes pop, and it's very simple. Now we're taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This one is in black. Is there one shade? I think it's black. Popping it on the lashes and on the bottom ones too. Remember that Q-tip we used earlier? I'm gonna take it and like just clean my lips up because they're looking a little dusty. Oh my god, look, I have lips. Who would have thought? Now while the mascara dries, I'm gonna take that Park Avenue Princess bronzer again, which as you can see I'm almost done with it, so it's a good product, highly recommend. And I'm also taking this Real Techniques blush brush, which I love for like contouring and bronzer, and I'm just gonna pop it right here under my cheekbones, I guess, and kind of like taking it up to the side of my temples just for some color, because right now we look a little pale. Also on the chin and on the bottom of it, down the neck, just to blend everything out, and on the other side a little bit on the forehead, why not. I have this Luxie small contouring brush that I kind of just use to make sure everything's nice and blended out, so If you have one of those, just take it. Remember that brush we used for our crease? Well, we're taking it again and we're gonna use it for a slight contour. I promise you guys I have a whole bunch of brushes, but sometimes it's just easier to have one brush for multiple uses. Smaller nose, what's up? I have another Real Techniques blush brush, and this one we're actually going to use for blush. I'm going to be taking this Tarte blush palette, and I'm going to take this color Lovable because maybe someone will love me. Pop it on the apples of your cheeks for some flush of color. Again, taking this small contouring brush and just make sure everything is nice and blended. I would add highlighter, but I feel like on camera, like on Zoom, it doesn't look as good, so I'm not. I was thinking I wouldn't add lashes, but you know what, whatever. I'm taking these Ardell lashes. I'll have them linked in the description box because I don't know the name right now. Oh no, yes I do. They're called Jubilee. I'm taking these Ardell Jubilee lashes. I'm just popping some of this Duo lash glue. I love this one because it's so much easier to apply on the lashes. Definitely recommend. These are so nice and pretty and voluminous and just what I love in a lash. While the glue gets tacky on those lashes, I'm gonna take this Jordana lip liner in the shade Tawny, my all-time fave, and just line my lips. What color are we gonna finish this look off with? I'm thinking a gloss because it's very like, oh, that's pretty. Yeah, like a peachy color for summer. This is the Tarte Lip Sculptor in the shade Quest. Okay, let's pop on our lashes. Ooh. Ooh, this has turned from a very neutral look to a very like over the top look. I did my nails yesterday, by the way, just to make sure like my eye and my lashes looks blended. I'm taking this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On pencil in the shade Perversion and just putting it in my top waterline. And I promise you guys it makes a difference. Makeup look is done. Just to seal everything out, I'm taking this Subtle Sea Green Tea Eucalyptus Facial Mist, which I love. It smells so delicious and it's great for makeup. So just a few spritzes. I love it. Now, let's dry our hair. I've already applied my products, just a mousse and a hair cream. And yeah, let's get these curls popping before our meeting so we're not late. Oh no, I think this turtleneck makes my face look really fat. Dang it. Should I change? I'm supposed to wear black for this rehearsal, so. But just to finish off, I already got dressed. I'll share with you guys my outfit in just a second. I'm taking the Nourish Bar Protein Plus Body Butter. It smells like chocolate cake. It's so good, or like chocolate cookies. But it's just amazing, and we gotta make sure that during this quarantine, even though no one is seeing us, that we stay moisturized. So okay, you guys, here I am. So I decided to change because the turtleneck was making my face look way too chubby, and I've actually been watching what I've been eating these past few weeks. I'm not really on a diet because I don't really like believe in diets in a way, but I've just been like a little bit more careful about not overeating or eating when I'm bored. So, but let's start out with my hair. This is what it looks like when it's dry. It's all nice and curly. I did a mask when I was in the shower, so I think it really helped. And I'm wearing this beautiful little like bejeweled headband. I got it from Amazon. Again, my makeup is the same as you saw it. It's kind of dramatic, but in like a very neutral way. Very like pinky toned, and I feel like it goes well with my skin tone. And let me share with you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing, of course, one of my favorite tops lately. You guys may have seen this in my Instagram if you follow me, and if you don't, you totally should. This is my Strong Female Lead top from Forever 21. It's a crop top, but I also like tied it because it's kind of boxy. I paired it with these black little shorts. I've been loving these like dressy shorts lately. I think they fit so nice because they're very high-waisted, but they're also like very stretchy, a lot stretchier than denim shorts. And then, of course, I just paired it with a little belt just to make sure it cinches in my waist. For shoes, I'm wearing my favorite. They don't really match, but I still love them. They're, of course, my little sun and moon loafers that I showed to you guys in my last Shein haul video. But yeah, this is my outfit for today. So you guys, that was my quarantine edition Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this hair, makeup, and outfit. And if you'd like to see more Get Ready With Me's in the future, comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see next. I'm super interested in what you guys want to see. So comment down below. Let me know. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up as well as hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, you guys. And my goal for August 2020 is to have 1,000 subscribers. So it only takes a second and it helps the channel grow a lot. So please consider subscribing as well as hit that notifications bell so you can be notified every time I upload straight to your device. That's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.